The overnight showers in Delhi initially promised a relief from the scorching heat wave, with temperatures going as high as 49 degrees and claiming lives of dozens. But it soon turned into chaos and mayhem across the national capital region. An 88-year-old record-breaking rain has brought misery to the national capital, with submerged roads, buses blocked in underpasses, and even death. According to the Meteorological Department, Delhi received 228 mm of rainfall from 8:30 am yesterday to 8:30 am today, marking the highest 24-hour rainfall in June since 1936, when 235.5 mm of rainfall was recorded. Typically, Delhi receives an average of 80.6 mm of rainfall in June. The downpour has halted daily life in Delhi NCR, with commuters facing severe waterlogging and traffic jams during their morning commute. One visual showed a bus stuck in a waterlogged underpass, while another video featured a car floating around the waters of Minto Bridge. SkyMet Vice President spoke to NDTV over this issue.
Most of the areas have impacted. Usually in Noida and Faridabad, there is heavy to very heavy rainfall, and South Delhi and parts of Dwarika, Palam, all these areas has inundated. So we can say that many parts of Delhi and NCR have received moderate to heavy showers, and these rains are expected to continue with lesser intensity for say next 2 to 3 hours. Thereafter, there may be a short break. Then again, by night or during night time, rain activities will intensify. However, we do not expect very intense showers. But yes, by tomorrow, June 29 and 30, another heavy storm is anticipated over these areas.
Meanwhile, politics has exploded over the damage caused by the rain. At least one person died while 6 others were injured after a roof collapsed at Delhi Airport's T1 departure terminal. While the centre has announced Rs 20 lakh compensation for the victims' family, accountability for the tragedy is yet to be fixed. The centre and opposition are locked in a blame game over the tragedy, while Congress claimed this accident was a result of the Modi government's, quote, criminal negligence. The centre has clarified the airport was built in 2008-2009 during the UPA reign. Soon after the accident, Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge posted a sharp attack against the ruling government on X, where he said corruption and criminal negligence are responsible for the collapse of, quote, shoddy infrastructure falling like a deck of cards in the past 10 years of Modi government, unquote.
Operates this terminal.
Yes.
Have you sought any clarification from them? Because this structure is of 2009 and in 15 years it has collapsed.
Like you have said, this structure has been built in 2009. And what we have asked the DIAL, Delhi International Airport Limited also, is to do a verification inspection from their side. But we are not just leaving it up to themselves. The ministry, from the ministry, we have DGCA also, which underlooks the safety aspect. So they will also be supervisioning this inspection, and they will also give us a report. And from our ministry side, I can assure you that this is taken as a very serious incident also, not just in this airport, but across the country. Any airports that are with similar structures, we will have to go through them all again, and we will do a thorough checking of all the necessary airports.
Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu Kinjarapu, who arrived at the airport shortly after the incident, told reporters the government would carry a thorough probe into the matter, and reminded that the canopy which fell was built before the Modi government. Meanwhile, stranded passengers shared their ordeal at the airport.
गिर गया, रूफ गिर गई है, ट्रेजेडी हो गई, इससे बहुत असुविधा भी हो रही होगी, क्या कहेंगे?
मैं 10 मिनट से बच गई, मैंने देखा है वो गिरते हुए, तो नोबडी इज़ गिविंग एनी इन्फॉर्मेशन, कोई मैसेज पे अपडेट नहीं है, कॉल पे अपडेट नहीं है, कोई कैब नहीं आ रही, ये भी नहीं पता रिफंड होगा, रीस्केड्यूल होएगा. सो आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर, आई हैव कॉल्ड माय ऑफिस टू गेट मी अ कैब एंड देयर इज़ नो इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड ऑफिशियल अथॉरिटी, नोबडी नोज एनीथिंग, किसी को कुछ नहीं पता है.
मेरी पुणे की फ़्लाइट थी, मैं यहाँ आया हूँ, स्पाइस जेट की फ़्लाइट थी, कोई भी कुछ बताने वाला कोई यहाँ नहीं. देखिए, जो ट्रेजेडी हो गई, गिर गई. बट एटलीस्ट आगे ये तो पता हो ना कि हमें अब करना क्या है। अगर हमें कोई और फ्लाइट बुक करनी है, किसी और टर्मिनल जाना है, यहाँ तो कोई अरेंजमेंट है नहीं, बस उसी में लगे हुए हैं हम ये देखने के लिए कि किस तरह से कोई ट्रैवल एजेंट हमारी कोई और टाइम की फ़्लाइट करा दे, किसी और टर्मिनल से करा दे, हमें पता तो लगे हमें किस टर्मिनल पे जाना है। यहाँ पे कोई भी किसी तरह से कोई बताने वाला नहीं है।
बस एक दूसरे से ही पता लग रहा है कि जी यहाँ क्लैप्स हो गया है बिल्डिंग, तो फ्लाइट लेट हो गई है। ऑफिशियल कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है।
यात्री हैं, बाबा बर्फानी के लिए जा रहे हैं। हमारी फ़्लाइट थी 8 बजे, सुबह 4 बजे हम लोग निकले हैं। पूरी दिल्ली चौक है, ऐसा लग रहा है कि पूरा समुद्री हो गया है दिल्ली, और यहाँ पता चलता है कि फ़्लाइट लेट है। तो हम लोगों को काफ़ी दिक्कत का सामना करना पड़ रहा है, लेकिन देखते हैं जो भी है।
तो अथॉरिटी की तरफ से कोई असिस्टेंस दी
नहीं, कोई मैसेज नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है। पूरी दिल्ली में जाम था, बड़ी मुश्किल से यहाँ तक पहुँचे, कोई मैसेज नहीं है, कोई सुविधा नहीं है, और यहाँ पर यह देखने सब लोग परेशान खड़े हैं। ये दिक्कत का सामना करना पड़ रहा है बहुत सारा।